In this video, I'm going to show how we can change the color tab on the bottom of your workbook using Microsoft Excel 2007 or 2010 using the VBA programming environment. So to get started, go ahead and open up a brand new workbook or any workbook that you would like to work with. And what I'm going to do is show you how we can add a small button to your worksheet so you can put in some code for changing the color tabs in the bottom. So in my developers tab, I'm going to go to insert and select a command button. I'm just going to draw it onto our workbook. Now later on, this code you can change it and add it into a macro if you'd like, but for this specific demonstration I'm going to go on and use the command button. Right now, while we are in design mode, I'm going to double click the command button. That way we can go on and get started with the code. So first I'm going to show you how we can modify this specific sheet, raw data, and I'm going to go on and do sheets, raw data, dot tab dot color index equals 4. I'm going to go on and toggle back to Microsoft Excel, put us into production mode, and I'm going to go on and click the command button. Because we have it activated, you may not see the color, but if I was to go to sheet 2, we'll see that it's now a green tab. I'm going to go on and go back to it, and right now see how it goes back to the standard color of a selected tab. But I'm going to go on and modify sheet 2 and sheet 3 in the code. Sheet 3, I'm going to make a different color. I'm just going to put 5. And I'm going to go on and close this out and hit the command button again. And we see we have changed the color tabs of sheet 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to show you how this is working. I have pulled up the MSDN Microsoft Developers Network document that discusses the ColorIndex property specifically for Microsoft Excel. Now ColorIndex, you're going to see this property in other programming languages, but to show you the one that's set up for Microsoft Excel, we have all the codes right here. It supports all the way from 0 down to 56. Changing the sheet tab color may be very beneficial whenever you want to show your user a certain tab to select, and you may not want to keep it at that specific color. Maybe for a brief moment you may want it to turn blue or blink back and forth between blue and green. That's something that you can do for your user. But the color index property, it's not something that can only be used just for tabs. It can be used to color your interior of the cell. So this property is accepted in many other areas of Excel. Just to give a real quick demonstration, we can do sheets, raw data, and let's just do a specific cell, range A1, and we'll just do dot interior dot color index, I believe is the code, equals 4. And I'm just going to try this out. We might get an error, but let me go on and try this. Oh, there you go, that worked. That was the correct code. But this video, I wanted to highlight more as to how we can programmatically change the sheet tab names in the bottom. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.